Hi, this is a screencast on how to save a website to be available for easy access in the future. So let's say, for example, you opened up Tech Tidbits, and as you see on my screen, and you want to have access to this in the future, but you know you're not going to remember the website. You don't want to clutter your email by keeping the email, etc. First thing you want to do is make sure that your bookmark bar is showing at the top. If it is not, you can select the ellipses up here, the three dots, and you can go to bookmarks and say show bookmark bar. If that hasn't been checkmarked, click on that and it will appear. You will have some default ones that the district has also put there for you. You can keep those or delete those if you find them useful. You can see I have lots of folders that I've created. When you go into them, there's actually websites that are saved within that folder. So the first thing I would do is right click on here and say add folder. And then if you know you're going to be saving multiple tech tidbits in the future, you could just call it tech tidbits and hit save, and that will actually show up somewhere on your bookmark bar. Mine is pretty full, so it actually was pushed over underneath the drop down arrow. I've moved it here so I have easy access to it. Once I've done that, I can actually drag this, the little padlock right here, and drag it into that folder of tech tidbits. Once I've done that and I click on tech tidbits, it's going to show there. If I continue to save tech tidbits in here, obviously I don't want them to all be saved as tech tidbits. So you can actually right click on it and you can say edit, and you can change the name of it. So I can say, maybe this is the one that I really like the translator in it, or I want to put it as the date that it was sent. You can just name it how you want, because I want, when I click on tech tidbits in the future, I might have a list here and I want to make sure that I know which one's which. The other option is you can change it to have the name of it to be the date. So if I wanted to change this to the date, I could also do that as well. And then in the future, when I go in there, it's listed by date. It's all about preference. Thanks for listening.